Hi guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna be styling my hair with this, and yeah, we're gonna see what styles would fit me. Cause in a bit, me and my family are gonna go out to eat, and yeah, I want to look good. What do you guys think? As you can see in the video, I first started with the middle part, but my hair is not cooperating well right now. Sometimes my middle part is good, but yeah, there are days like this one where it's just it's good, right? I think it's good, or too high, too like lower, or a bit high. You guys comment if you're watching. Yeah, does it look good? Okay. Actually, before I end the video, you guys, it's very advisable that before you use this or any heat products, you should use heat protectants. I did not use one right now because mine ran out. Still gonna buy maybe this Sunday or something. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye. And if any of you are wondering what this shirt is, maybe you're not wondering, or if you are, that shirt, it's just a typical white shirt, but it is special to me. That's why I put it above my bedroom, my bed, because it's filled with letters and messages from my classmates last grade 12. We wore that and made our classmates write on us. And yeah, it's filled with special people.